Hey guys, it's George from Gaggia UK. Now in today's video, we're going to show you how to set up your Naviglio coffee machine. But before we get into the setup, let's take a quick look around the machine. So on the front, you have the panorello frother and the adjustable brew head. On one side, you have the water tank, and on the opposite side, you have the dreg drawer. Right at the bottom of the machine, you have the removable drip tray. On the side of the coffee machine, you have the service door, which reveals the removable brew group. Right to the top in the center, you have the control panel with all the controls you'll need to make your favorite brews. On the top of the machine, you have the bean hopper. Now it's also worth mentioning that in the Naviglio range, there's three models. You have this one with the panorello frother, you have the deluxe model with a cappuccino torre, and you have the milk model, which comes with a cap in cup system. Now let's get on to the setup. So the first thing you want to do is connect your coffee machine to power, which you can do so by plugging it in at the back. Then the power button on the front of the machine will flash red. So to switch on your coffee machine, just press that power button. After that, the water symbol button will turn red. This is because you need to fill up your water tank with water. And we also suggest at this point to pop your coffee into the bean hopper. Then the machine will automatically go into its heating and priming cycle. And when the buttons on the control panel have stopped flashing, your machine is set up and ready to use. If you would like to find out more information about your Naviglio coffee machine, or if you'd like to chat to one of our team members via Zoom, you can do so by heading to our website, gaggiadirect.com.